You've probably heard or researched or watched videos on all the millions of things you need to do in order to create a YouTube channel and get started. Well, I'm here to tell you that you only need these 3 things to get started on your YouTube journey today. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's break it down so you can stop feeling overwhelmed, take a deep breath, and you can get started today. The first thing you need to have before you start a YouTube channel is a clear purpose. Why do you want to create a YouTube channel? What do you want to achieve with your YouTube channel? If you know those 2 things, that will get you so much further than people who have no idea. So what purpose does your YouTube channel serve? Why do you want to do it? Ask yourself those things. When I started my YouTube journey, the purpose of my channel and the purpose of getting on YouTube was to show other people how to grow on YouTube via the courses I was learning, the mentors I had. Everything that I learned, I applied to my own channel, I tested it, and what worked, I shared with my viewers. And that clarity made all the difference because I knew what content to produce. I wanted to help people that were in the same position as me. And as I grew, I wanted to help them grow. And so I produced content that would help them grow their YouTube channels. And I'm still doing the same thing today. That clarity gave me so much power to grow my channel faster. Talking about power, number 2, the second thing you need to get started on YouTube is consistency. I know, it's like I'm beating a dead horse. You probably hear me bring up consistency in all my videos, and it's for good reason. When I got on YouTube, I didn't know anything about anything, but I did do one thing right, and that was be consistent. I posted 3 videos a week, week after week after week, on the same day every week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I posted videos every single week. If they were bad, I didn't care. It was done. Done was better than none, and I posted those babies, and it got me here. So I didn't have a camera. I was using my laptop webcam. I mean, I was doing it scrappy, but it worked. And that is why I really like to preach consistency, because there is so much power in consistency if you want to grow a YouTube channel or just simply get started on YouTube. And just commit to it. Tell yourself, I'm going to do 1 video a week. If that's what you can do 1 video a week. Maybe it's 1 video a month, but tell yourself, I'm going to do 1 video a month and I'm going to be consistent with this. This is my goal for YouTube, and stick with it and be amazed at what happens a year from now, how far your channel has grown. And the third thing you need, remember I said there's only 3 things you need to get started on YouTube, and this one is incredibly important. And I would argue if you are incapable of this one, you are incapable of success on YouTube. I hate to break it to you, but this is so important for your success and to get started on YouTube. You really need this, and it is a willingness to learn and evolve. You cannot get on YouTube and expect that you will be amazing and that it will be easy and that you don't have to learn anything. That is just not the case. So if you are willing, if you have a strong willingness to learn how to edit your videos, learn how to spot your weaknesses, learn how to constantly improve your videos week after week after week, upload after upload after upload, you will do absolutely fine on YouTube. But you must have that characteristic or that personality trait in order to succeed on YouTube. So that's it. Those are 3 things you need to get started on YouTube. It's really not that hard to get started on YouTube, but you do need these 3 things in place to give yourself the best start on YouTube. You don't need the fancy equipment. You don't need the perfect studio space. You just need a phone, maybe a mic, because audio is really important. You don't need anything fancy. Like I said, I started with a 8-year-old MacBook and used that to record all of my videos. And I grew to like 25,000 subscribers with my laptop. So you don't need fancy equipment, but you do need to know your purpose. Why are you here? What do you want to achieve with your YouTube channel? You need to be consistent, and you need to have a willingness to learn, and you will do just fine. However, if you are just getting started on YouTube, I do have a new YouTuber checklist that walks you through step-by-step how to get started on YouTube. It's a detailed document. I think it's like almost 25 pages or something. You can grab that for free in the link in the description below. And if you are interested in getting started on YouTube, here's a mini masterclass on how to get started. So see you in that video. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.